What's up guys, Shane Starnes here. Maybe you want to beef up your security system, but you're not super handy, or maybe you just don't have a lot of time to run wires and mount cameras. The Noorio 1080p wireless indoor-outdoor security camera may be the camera for you. This is one of the easiest cameras that I've ever set up, and it is a very high quality camera for the price point. Big shout outs to Noorio for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and get this out of the box and see what all it comes with. Right away, we've got the camera. This is a 1080p camera with 8 gigabytes of onboard storage. That's one thing I love about this is you don't have to pay a subscription service. You do have 8 gigabytes of onboard storage. Up top, we have our spotlight. So that's gonna light up the situation if someone approaches this in the dark. And then you have that 1080p lens right there. On the back here, we have our sync button and also our charge port. This does include a battery, which gives it 180 days of use without having to charge. I love the fact that that is a Type-C port there. We don't have to worry about locating a micro USB cord. All right, and then you'll be able to mount your camera here. This also mounts magnetically, which is another great feature. And then you've got your speaker for two-way communication there as well. I'm going to set the camera to the side for a second. We'll see what else we have in the box. You do have a few options for mounting. If you're looking for a more permanent solution, they do include a screw mount. So you can mount this to the side of your house. If you want a more permanent method. If you're looking for a more versatile method and an easier method where you don't have to get out the power drill or whatever, they do have this magnetic mount, which is really awesome. You can use a 3M sticky pad like this to stick this up anywhere, or you can stick this directly to metal. So whether it's wood or brick or whatever, you've got your 3M sticky tape that it comes with, so you can mount this anywhere without screws, or you can simply just mount this with the magnet. So I think that's an awesome feature. Definitely one of the easiest options when it comes to the installation process. They've also included a USB Type-C charge cord. Looks like we have some more reading material here as well. So we've got a quick start guide. You've got a few of these 3M sticky pads here for installation. You've got a positioning sticker for the magnetic bracket. And then you have a positioning sticker for the mounting bracket that's just gonna help you with your installation. And then they've got a sticker here just letting everyone know that your home is monitored 24/7 by Noorio. Let's go ahead and get this set up really quickly, and then we'll go outside and get this installed. We're just gonna scan this QR code here. All right, that brings us right to the application. We'll go ahead and get that installed, and then we should be able to just kind of walk through this to get this all set up. Once you have your account set up and you are logged in, we're gonna go ahead and set up the device. Right there on the back, you will find that QR code. We're just gonna go ahead and scan that. All right, and I'm gonna set mine up out at the shed. So I'm gonna click shed, connect your device to the Wi-Fi network. The device is only compatible with 2.4 gigahertz network, so that is something to consider. If your router is not already split, you may need to split this between 2.4 and 5 gigahertz in order to connect to the 2.4 gig only. So we're gonna go on the back of the unit, press and hold that for 2 seconds.
Welcome to Noorio. Please set up your device in Noorio app.
All right, so we've got that instruction. We'll go ahead and click next. We'll open up our Wi-Fi and connect to the Noorio. All right, so just like that, we're all ready to go. This is already connected and it is streaming live video. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my light there, just like that. All right, pretty cool. That was one of the easier setups that I've done on a camera. So I really do love the versatility of this magnetic mount. You can literally just stick it up to any magnetic surface. We'll test that theory with the refrigerator, and just like that, we are good to go. So you don't have to use the screw mount. You can, but you can basically attach this to any metallic surface just by sticking it. That means I can put it anywhere I want, so I don't have to have it stuck here. I can use it elsewhere. So I really do like that part of this installation. All right, so with this being a magnetic install, all I have to do is just stick it to the metal surface and we're good to go. Now I can adjust this however I need to make sure that I'm getting the proper angle. All right, so it's just super easy to adjust here and we're good to go. The first thing that really stands out to me about this camera is the versatility when installing it. You can set it up on your desk or really any surface inside your house. This works great as an indoor security camera, but you can also set this up on any surface outside. So they do have a more permanent solution that's included with the camera. You can install this to the side of brick or wood or siding or whatever with that screw mount for a more permanent solution. If you have metal siding, I actually have a shed outside that I'm installing mine on. This just magnetically sticks to any type of metal surface. If you wanted to set this up inside the house, you could stick it to your refrigerator, or if you have a filing cabinet, that's super easy to set up. You can also use the 3M sticky tape that's included with this kit as well to also just kind of stick this on any surface. I prefer the magnetic installation because that gives me the most versatility, and I can actually move the camera around depending on what I need to monitor. Not only is the camera super easy to mount, it's also 100% wireless. So it gets its connection to the internet wirelessly, and it also has a 180-day battery life. So you're only gonna have to charge this thing every couple of months. But if you're not super handy and you don't wanna have to run wires through your attic, no worries, this is the perfect solution for you. The next thing that really stands out here is the image quality. This is shooting in 1080p. The images that are coming out of this are vibrant, bright, colorful. I get plenty of detail and resolution in these shots so that I'm able to see exactly what's happening, whether it be nighttime or during the day. It doesn't matter, I'm still getting a good image out of this camera. This even has an HDR function that you can turn on in the settings. If I were to install this at my front door, usually the sun would be behind anybody, casting a shadow on the person's face. With the HDR mode, even if there's sun behind the person, you're still gonna get all the details in their face, so I love that. I also love the fact that this has two different versions of night mode. When the camera detects motion, even in pitch black darkness, you're gonna be able to see all the details as that night mode activates. And then this also has a color nighttime mode, which is gonna activate the spotlight, which lights up the area, and then you're gonna have color video even in a pitch black area. The built-in spotlight also acts as a deterrent. Whenever the motion's detected, the spotlight's activated. This can ward off unwelcome guests as they're alerted that they are being watched. Not only do you get a really sharp, clear, crisp image, this has a wide angle 140-degree field of view, meaning you're gonna be able to see all the action in front of the camera. This camera features advanced AI human detection, which means you're not gonna get a ton of false positives whenever it detects motion. This knows the difference between an animal or a flag flowing in the wind and an actual human, and you can set this up to only alert you when humans have been detected. When it does detect motion, you get fast and accurate alerts via notifications on your cell phone. That way you can instantly pull up the camera and interact with the person that's there. If the camera alerted you to a potential intruder, you could also have a two-way communication with that person to let them know, hey, I'm here and I'm watching. There are a few options to customize the motion detection. You can customize the sensitivity of the motion detection from 7 feet all the way to 30 feet. And you can also set 3 individual activity zones. This allows you to tell the camera where exactly you want to detect motion. One thing that I really love about this camera is the fact that it includes 8 gigabytes of onboard storage. This means a few things for you. The first thing is that you're not having to pay a monthly subscription fee, as all the videos are stored locally. This is going to allow for up to 60 days of event history storage. You're not going to have to pay a monthly fee to access a cloud service. This also means that all of your videos are private as they are stored locally and not in the cloud. With that 8 gigabytes of storage, it also means that your camera can be activated and can begin recording even without a wireless internet connection. If your wireless internet goes down or the camera loses connection, it will still record when motion's been detected, and then when the internet comes back up, you're able to access that event history. This camera works great for indoor or outdoor use, and if you are going to use it for the outdoors, it's great to know that this has an IP66 weatherproof rating, which means it's going to be able to hold up and withstand rainfall and wind and other debris. So that's always a nice benefit. Overall, the Noorio 1080p wireless indoor-outdoor security camera is a super high quality camera at a very affordable price that is very easy to install. Anybody could get this thing up and running within about 5 minutes. I'll be sure to include links in the description of where you can pick yours up today. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.